Hi, I'm Lakshmi Madhwar. I'm a visual artist who works between Bombay and Balrampura. A lot of my practice is around themes concerning identity, belonging, how do you outline a body, how do you contextualize a body in terms of gender, geography. And for the last many years, I've been involved with the weaving community in Balrampura. Balrampuram is one of the oldest centers for Kasavu weaving. A lot of you might know the kasva as the white and gold sari that comes from Kerala. So I've been working with the community and collaboratively making a lot of my works. And again, a lot of my works are hinged sort of at this juncture of the politics of body and cloth. You know, there's a saying that while a body wears a cloth also wears a body. So I kind of look at my practice as a nuanced, layered narrative around the idea of body, cloth. In that sort of combination, again, question the how do we trace ourselves, who are we, where do we belong, and yeah, that's like a macro construct of my practice. But I think when I did my first project with Kasava, I had no idea about Kasava or the fact that there were weaving communities or the fact that they were many ways endangered communities and the fact that, craft is dwindling, the support to a lot of things made by hand is difficult overall in our country. So I think when I worked with Kasava on the first project, it really came from a personal place because that specific project it was a large-scale exhibition called Logume Tarwada, curated by Bose Krishnamachari. And he had given this really simplistic curatorial note on interpret the idea of home. It was somewhere in the middle of COVID. I think home was a really enlarged concept for a lot of us because we were spending a lot more time inside. So when I did that first work, it was really like a tribute to her. It was these 6 large-scale panels where I kind of wove letters we had exchanged over the years. I'd compressed, I think, decades and decades of communication. But I did it using English and Malayalam. Again, I was kind of reinforcing all of the anxiety in my own articulation of identity, where language played a huge role. This sort of conflict between a native language and a colonial language, and our colonial language has this hierarchy. My own sense of do I want to speak Malayalam, not speak Malayalam, what does that do to me? So that work is when I went towards Kasava because what I was trying to express was really a tribute to our mama, and I couldn't think of any other material other than Kasava because I still hold on to that smell of her veshti. Because as a young girl, I would clutch onto the veshti. It had this distinct smell of her sweat mixed with the rice water that she would starch it in. So I knew that if it was a tribute to her, I can't see her as anything or being expressed with this material. I don't think I'm leaving Kasava for a long time because again I feel like there are lots of nuanced layers that I still want to explore, talk about.